Hi, so today we are going to start our new series of installation of Oracle Forms 12C. So we will cover the installation of database, Oracle Forms, reports, and its configuration, and then we go through the web logic and all its functionalities. So let's start. So we have to first uh, goes through our prerequisites that we must need to follow along with the installation. So first of all, we have to need a static IP. So I will go to my network sharing center, and here on my network, so I don't have a static IP yet, so I will choose a static IP here. So let me make it a static. So once we set our IP, we will definitely close our IPv6 connection also, and we will make it. Okay. So this is first step. The next step is we have to resolve our IP from Windows System 32 driver etc and host. So this will you need to make sure this will not create any issue. So we have to make a copy of it at our desktop. We need to open it. So right after last line, we have to add our entry, and here we need a name. So I will use tech expert dot soft maker dot local. So this must be my computer name, which we are going to set now, and this softmaker dot local is a domain. So I will save the file, and first I will set my computer name. From here I will set my name here. So my computer name is tech expert, and because we don't have a domain environment, we will use a dummy domain. So you can see this is our fully qualified FQN name, fully qualified name. So we will use that into our host file. So you see the system needs a restart, but we will restart that later because we will first follow all the instruction of prerequisites. So I will copy that name here. Okay. Okay, so we will replace our file here, and that's how our IP is resolved now. If we ping our so you can see if we ping our fully qualified name, it will return our IP. So this is a proof that our IP is resolved now. So the next step is we will down the user control level. This is also must be into control panel. By the way, I make it, my screenshot because of some limitation, but you can see. I hope it will show all the details and details. So this is a user control level. We will make it down for the installation, and we just make it okay with with the only installation. After that, after installation, we will make it up according to our security levels. We will also set the Windows firewall off. This which is recommended at the time of installation. Okay, so next step is we will define our variables at C drive. We need to define these variable in our environment variable, so we will create two folders for that purpose. First is temp, and second one is tmp temp. So this temp we will copy and replace it with our environment variables. So you can see here we have temp and tmp